Lenovo IdeaPad 15ALC05 M.2 Ryzen 7. Processor AMD Ryzen 7 5700U, 8C, 16T, 1. 8 quarters, 0.3 GHz, 4 MB L2/8 of a MB L3. Memory 16 GB soldered DDR4 3200. Storage 512 GB SSD M.2 2242 PCIe 3.0x4 NVMe. The IdeaPad 5 comes with a host of options including a USB-C port with power delivery to charge your devices right from your laptop, and quick charging to get your battery charged as quickly as possible. And with speedy SSD drives, and bountiful memory options. Display type, 15.6 inches FHD, IPS, anti-glare, LED backlight, narrow, 45% NTSC, non-touch, 60 Hz, 3.2 mm. 720p HD camera, privacy shutter, bump camera, with dual microphone. Stereo speakers, 2WX2, optimized with Dolby Audio. Keyboard 6-row backlit, English, US. Step into the worlds of your favorite movies and shows with a display panel designed to the last millimeter to maximize your viewing experience, giving you more screen for your money. We call this active area ratio, or the amount of screen compared to the size of the surrounding borders. This isn't your typical cold plastic or metal laptop that you carry around, it's a fashion accessory. The IdeaPad 5 was built with a new level of attention to detail, making this machine soft and comfortable to the touch with a durable paint that creates a fabric-like feel on the surface.